take tan pi tan x. So cot is there. So that means tan 90 pi by 2 minus pi cot x. Okay, it is pi. Now tan tan cancel 10, that is pi tan x equal to pi by 2 minus pi cot x. Pi cot x. So pi cancel out, tan x plus cot x equal to pi by 2. Here is the. So now pi cancel, sorry, 1 by 2. So now sin by cos, sin x by cos x plus cos x by trigonometric formula sin x equal to 1 by 2. Now simplify, you will have sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x by sin x into cos x. So here, right here 2, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by sin 2x equal to 1 by 4. Sin 2x equal to 4. That is not possible. Does not belong to minus 1 to 1. That is maximum value of sin 2x is 1 and minimum value is minus 1. So by 4. This is there is no solution. No solution. So answer will be C. That is 5. 5 is the answer. Very simple question. So JEE Mains question. Okay.